Hi everyone, I am Wafa Lango and welcome you all Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribed the channel, so please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon in order to get some more videos about grammar. Today we are going to discuss structure is it is time to from active voice into passive voice. It is time to when you are ready for an action you are going to do it. For that you will be using it is time to. From active voice into passive voice, how you are going to change it from active voice into passive voice. An active voice subject does something, in passive voice subject is affected. Keep in your mind when subject is affected, so there it will be known as the agent. And here we have got a little bit change in formula, that is structurized formalized. So we will be discussing the active and passive formula of structure it is time to. Simple sentences, those sentences which make simple statement are called simple sentences. Formula for that is it is time to plus first form object full stop, and in passive voice it is time for subject to be third form full stop. Keep in your mind, one thing should be in your mind, here your object is affected, and when here it comes, your subject is not the doer of an action. Here your subject is title subject or topic subject which we are talking about. So there it is not a doer of an action subject. This should be in your mind. Simple sentences which make simple statement. Now formula we have discussed, and sentences we will discuss now. It is time to take exercise. It is time for exercise to be taken. And here exercise is subject which we are talking about, that this action is to be done. It is time to start the function. It is time for function to be started. Negative sentences, those sentences in which we deny the statement, reject the statement and refuse the statement are called negative sentences. It is not time to take exercise. It is not time for exercise to be taken. It is not time to start the function. It is not time for the function to be started. Interrogative sentences, those sentences in which we ask question, put queries are called interrogative sentences. Is it time to take exercise? Is this time for exercise to be taken? Is this okay? Is this time to start the function? Is this time for the function to be started? Formal sentences, those sentences in which we ask question, deny the statement, and we ask them in a formal way, polite way, respectful way. We use it with our seniors, elders, and you can use it with the one whom you are not close with. Is it not time to take exercise? Is this not time for exercise to be taken? Is it not time to start the function? Is it not time for the function to be started? Informal sentences, those sentences in which we ask question, deny the statement, we ask them in a informal way, in friendly atmosphere. We use it with juniors, youngers, and whom you are close with. Is not short form is isn't. Isn't it time to take exercise? Isn't it time for exercise to be taken? Isn't it time to start the function? Isn't it time for the function to be started? So these are the sentences of it is time to plus structure from active voice into passive voice. Hope you enjoyed the lecture. If you have enjoyed the lecture, press the bell icon, subscribe the channel and like the video. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.